Now we'll find the domain of a logarithmic function. The domain of an exponential function of the form f of x equals b to the x includes all real numbers, and its range is the set of positive real numbers. Because the logarithmic function reverses the domain and range, because they're inverses, the domain of a logarithmic function of the form f of x equals log base b of x is the set of all positive real numbers. But in general, we can say the domain of f of x equals log base b of some g of x. Whatever is inside, there's an argument. Log base b of g of x consists of all x values where g of x is greater than 0. So let's apply this to a function and find the domain of f of x equals log base 4 of the argument quantity x minus 5. This is why I wrote a g of x in there. I want to take whatever is my argument and guarantee that it is greater than 0. So I'm going to take x minus 5 is greater than 0. And solving this, adding 5 to both sides, I determine that x is greater than positive 5. So the domain of my function is the interval 5, infinity. And I'm not including 5 or infinity, because you don't include infinity, and of course we are greater than 5. So a parenthesis on both of those. Now you can think of this as a transformation, actually. If you notice, an x minus 5 on a function would translate the function right 5. Well, the domain of just log base b of x is 0 to infinity. So we're shifting that interval 0 to infinity to the right by 5. Therefore, 5, infinity.